what's up? Welcome to another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing two G.I. Joe Classified. We have Xamot and from Snake Eyes Origins, the movie, the Baroness from there, not the cartoon version. We'll start with the Baroness. Open that up. Comes with machine gun, glasses and two swords. Go. Get I like the way all the weapons can fit on the figure all at the same time. There we go. There we go. Lightness is pretty good. Put the glasses on. Be that way. Should look any better. No, they look worse, so we'll put them back the way they was. I really like the G.I. Joe cartoon, but the last Snake Eyes movie I wasn't that keen on. I managed to pick these up cheap from Star Action Figures. There we go, the glasses are on better. The swords go in her on her belt there. And I've got the gun in her hand. Go. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I quite like the figure. Just stand up and we'll open Xamot. There was all 50% off on staractionfigures.co.uk. There we go. Leave him standing there while I get all the weapons out. One knife. Just snip the sellotape. So there. And another machine gun. There we go. We got the dagger, can go on his leg, another dagger, go in his waist, go, what's in here, a silencer for the gun and card magazine for it. There we go, the gun's complete. We'll pop it in his hand. And there we go, ready to go to war. I will get his twin at some point. There we go, looks really cool with the Cobra symbol. Yeah, look really good. There we go, thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with some more unboxings.